Okay, welcome back. Again, I'm Steve Hill. I'm introducing you to Microsoft Word for ERC 1010H. This is the third video, and in this short video, I want to introduce you to inserting page numbers, which is important, and the second is inserting table of contents, and the third is inserting captions for tables or figures that might be in your report. So by default, Microsoft Word doesn't start a new document with page numbers. It's something you have to insert, and one of the ways to do that is, you can see at the bottom here there's no page number or nothing at the top that has a page number. You can click here on the ribbon and you can have a set of options of things that you can do to insert along this ribbon. One of them here is page number. So if I click on that, it comes up with a couple of options, and I say page number. The dialog box opens up and it will say the position, bottom of page. I could put it at the top of page. I'll just leave it at the bottom. And the alignment, whether it would be left, right, or so on. But I've asked you to put it in the center for this assignment. And whether you want to put that page number on the first page. If you have a title page, you might not have a page number on that. So I'll leave a show number on first page for this assignment and click OK. And now you can scroll down and see there's the page number in the middle of the bottom of the document, and page 2 is right there. So the numbering is updated as you add pages or change those. The second thing to add is a table of contents, and because we've used the styles to create our headings, we're able to do that automatically. Now across the ribbon here, I don't actually see the inserting of a table of contents option, but if I go up to the very top part here in my Mac version of Word, I can see insert, and the option is index and tables. And if I click on that, it again opens up a dialog box that has a set of options of inserting a table of contents as one option, or a table of figures at the second. So I'm going to insert a table of contents, and from there's a series of different formatting options, but I'm just going to choose the basic template, which has the first 3 headings. And inserts this after. So I'm going to click OK, and right where the cursor was, it inserts a table of contents, and you can see then each of these, the heading 1 and heading 2s and headings are inserted, and the page number is automatically there. So that's quite handy for quickly inputting a table of contents to a document, especially handy if it's a longer document, something that's more complex. It also updates this table of contents as you're going. So I could actually add a third heading here and go back to my styles pane and hit heading 3. So I made that heading, and then I can, because I go on top of the table here, I've got the mouse is going to a URL type cursor. If I right click on that, it'll ask me to update field. I can update that, and it asks then if I'd like to update just the page numbers or the entire table. I'm going to click the entire table, and it automatically adds this third heading and notes which page it's on, and also that the references heading has been moved down to the third page. All right, so there's a quick inserting page numbers, inserting table of contents, and the last thing I want to quickly show is inserting captions for figures. So I'm going to just put a picture in, and I have one here this is a picture of me when I was age 9, and I've just dragged this across from my window. There. And with figures, you put the caption below the picture. And if I want to insert the caption, I can go back to at the top, insert, and the option is caption. And I click on caption, and I have a couple of different things that will come up, and the label could be a figure or a table or an equation. So I'm choosing figure, and I'm just going to click the title in here, Stephen Hill as a goofy kid. There. And I'll click OK, and it inserts this caption automatically, and that seems pretty straightforward. One of the benefits of this is you can see that this number is automatically updated. So the figures are automatically updated as you insert captions because they keep track of which page number it is. So that's quite a handy thing. And you can do the same thing with tables. I've pre-made a table before I start recording, and if I copy that table into the document, I'm just going to copy it in here. This is a table looking at some measurements from a set of 4 different trees, and I can do the same thing and just say insert caption, and instead of table, or instead of figure, I'll say table. So this is table 1 showing tree measurements. And click OK, and it inserts that just on top of the table. Now this is a style, this caption is a style just like the other ones in the document. And so you can format that caption and change it, and this is the actual style right here. So you can update it to match you can format it and then change those styles automatically. So if I wanted to make this larger, let's say I want to make it 11-point font, I could go then to my style library and update to match the selection, and you see it updates the other caption as well. So just like the other styles, it is automatically updated, and it's quite a handy thing for large documents. All right, so this is the end of the really quick introduction to things in Word. There's lots of things that happen there. I want to highlight that you can use the help features in Word. Make sure you remember to use this to tell me things that you can do, and explore and learn about how to use Word, because it's certainly very powerful and important tool for success in ERC 1010H and in university more generally. Thanks a lot.